Have you ever wondered why our roads, though essential to modern life, come with such a heavy environmental cost? Every kilometer of asphalt consumes natural resources, burns massive fuel, and emits tons of carbon into our air. But what if we could build better, stronger roads, while protecting our planet? Where every road's innovation leads to cleaner air, greener life, and sustainable progress, so we can improve our quality of life for everyone. Here I am introducing AMICA Asphaltic Mixtures Innovated with Coal Bottom Ash, a new road technology built from coal bottom ash, a byproduct of coal used in thermal power plants. Every year, over 750 million tons of this waste are generated worldwide, often ending up in landfills. Thus, AMICA transformed the waste into sustainable road. The innovation involved in base layer, built using hot mix asphalt design. AMICA follows SMA to AGK or Malaysia road design, which provides greater durability and higher strength. Conventional road requires gravel, bitumen, and cement as filler. AMICA transforms 20% of the total gravel into coal bottom ash. To make AMICA sample, firstly, oven-dried the mix of gravel and CBA at 140 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then, transfer the mix into a pan and add optimum percent of preheated bitumen. The mixture was mixed and heated at 140 degrees Celsius to achieve adequate coating of particles. Once homogeneity was obtained, the mixture was transferred to a Marshall mold and spaded uniformly 10 times inside and 15 times around the mold to eliminate air voids and improve density. Then, compact the sample using Marshall compactor. 50 blows on each face of the specimen at 125 plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius. Lastly, leave it at ambient temperature for 24 hours before demolding using mechanical jack. Laboratory tests such as Marshall stability test, resilient modulus, dynamic creep, and fatigue tests confirmed 20% CBA is the optimum replacement and satisfied the JKO requirements, improved durability, and enhanced resistance to permanent deformation. In conclusion, AMICA is more than innovation. It's aligned with SDG 7 affordable and clean energy. AMICA reducing 140 degrees Celsius from 170 degrees Celsius for mixing, and 125 degrees Celsius from 140 degrees Celsius for compaction. So, AMICA lower fuel costs, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, compared to conventional road, and aligned with SDG 11 as sustainable cities and communities. AMICA transforms industrial waste into high-value materials, reducing dependence on natural aggregates, and minimizing landfill disposal. It replaces natural gravel with coal bottom ash, and adds fly ash to partially replace cement. Finally, from the lab to the highway, AMICA is paving the way toward a cleaner, stronger, and more sustainable future.